Hello friends, in this module we'll understand the services existing under the service sector, problems faced under the service sector and the measures taken by the government of Maharashtra. Service sector means a sector in which different kinds of services are provided like communication, banking, education and all different kinds of services. Now, services sector come under the tertiary sector. Service sector is providing largest amount of employment at the current status. A lot of people are engaged in different activities like banking, education. So, it is a major contributory in providing employment and in contributing to the economy of the country. It is the highest contributing sector or highest contributing income in the economy of the country or the state of Maharashtra. In the state of Maharashtra, highest contribution is received from service sector. 54.5% of earnings out of the total income were from the services sector. We can clearly understand that Maharashtra's economy is majorly dependent upon the service sector. This was concluded in the year 2017-2018. That major contribution is from the service sector and therefore we majorly rely on different sources of income, different sources of employment on this sector. Therefore, there were a lot of efforts to raise the bar for this sector. Now, what is included in this sector? Accounting, services that are there, they are included in services. Apart from that, a lot of electrical vehicle services are included. Now, as we all know, petrol, diesel are the resources that are going on depleting. Therefore, if we want to survive in future sustainable growth, we have to depend on electrical vehicles. So that comes under this part. Fintech. Financial technology. Financial technology means if I want to invest in the share market, I do not have to go to share market. I can invest on my phone. So this is financial technology. All these services actually come under the service sector. There are a lot of services that are growing in Tier 2 cities. Now basically there are 3 tier cities, Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3. Tier 1 cities include Mumbai, Delhi, Agra and all these places, Chennai. But Tier 2 cities are the cities which are developing cities and are soon to emerge as the Tier 1 cities. The Tier 2 cities are the cities that are developing at a greater speed and are going to become Tier 1 cities. So, a lot of service sector is growing in the Tier 2 cities. Thank you.